Are you struggling to rebuild muscle strength after 60? You're not alone. And the real surprise? The solution might already be in your kitchen cabinet. Most seniors know about exercise and protein, but only a few are aware that certain natural powders can dramatically speed up recovery, reduce inflammation, and restore muscle strength. The problem is that muscle loss after 60 accelerates faster than most people realize. It's called sarcopenia, and it's not just about looking weaker. It can impact balance, mobility, energy, and even independence. In today's video, we're revealing 3 powerful natural powders that are helping seniors rebuild muscle faster, more effectively, and without complicated diets or expensive supplements. These aren't strange or rare ingredients. In fact, they're backed by science and traditional use, and they can help stimulate muscle repair, protect your joints, and improve the way your body uses protein. Whether you're already active or just starting to take your health more seriously, adding these powders to your daily routine can make a noticeable difference. Now, here's the catch. Not all protein sources or superfoods are created equal. And if you're relying on basic protein shakes or cutting corners with highly processed products, you could be sabotaging your recovery without even knowing it. That's why this video is so important. We're not just telling you what works. We'll break down why it works, how to use each powder, and how to avoid common mistakes that make them less effective. If you've noticed that your muscles don't bounce back like they used to, or if you've been feeling a little more tired, achy, or weaker in your legs or arms, it's time to take action. These powders have helped many seniors regain control over their physical health, and they can do the same for you. Stick around to discover what they are and how to use them to your advantage. Number 1. Whey Protein Powder. Let's start with one of the most researched and trusted natural powders when it comes to rebuilding muscle, whey protein. You've probably heard of it in the context of bodybuilders or athletes, but here's what most people don't know. Whey protein is one of the fastest absorbing, most bioavailable forms of complete protein available. And for seniors, especially those over 60, it can be a game changer. So what makes it so powerful for aging muscles? First, it contains all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which plays a direct role in activating muscle protein synthesis. That's the process your body uses to repair and build muscle after activity. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at this process, which is why even small injuries, or daily wear and tear, can take longer to heal. Whey protein helps overcome that barrier by providing a rapid, concentrated dose of muscle-repairing nutrients right when your body needs them most. But here's the catch. Timing and quality matter. To maximize the benefit, whey protein should be taken shortly after physical activity, or as a consistent daily supplement, ideally in the morning, or right after walking, or resistance exercises. You don't need a gym-level workout to benefit. Even light activity, followed by a whey protein shake, can kickstart recovery and prevent further muscle loss. And we're not talking about scooping random protein into your coffee. Many store-bought whey powders are packed with artificial sweeteners, cheap fillers, or low-grade protein that your body can't use efficiently. That's why you should look for whey protein isolate, or grass-fed whey concentrate with minimal ingredients. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein per serving, and mix it with water, almond milk, or a smoothie made from real fruit and greens for added nutrients. Beyond muscle strength, whey protein also helps with satiety, keeping you fuller longer, which can prevent unnecessary snacking or blood sugar dips. It supports immune health thanks to its natural glutathione-boosting properties, and has been shown in some studies to reduce age-related muscle wasting when used consistently. For seniors with low appetite or difficulty meeting protein needs through food alone, it's one of the simplest and most effective additions to a daily routine. If you're wondering how to start, begin with a half serving and see how your body reacts. Many seniors prefer to blend it with banana and spinach or even stir it into oatmeal for a high-protein breakfast. Just make sure to drink plenty of water alongside it, especially if you're increasing protein intake for the first time. In short, whey protein isn't just for athletes. It's for anyone who wants to stay strong, independent, and active as they age. When used correctly, it can help repair muscle tissue, improve balance, and give you more energy throughout the day. Number 2. Collagen Peptides. Next on our list is collagen peptides, an underrated but incredibly effective powder for seniors looking to rebuild and maintain muscle strength. While collagen is more commonly associated with skin, hair, and joint health, what many people don't realize is that it plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. And, as we age, our natural collagen production steadily declines, leading to stiffer joints, slower recovery, and weaker muscle support. Collagen peptides are a broken down, more absorbable form of collagen that your body can actually use. When you consume them, they provide the amino acids, particularly glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, that are necessary for rebuilding connective tissue and helping muscles recover after movement or injury. This becomes especially important for seniors dealing with muscle aches, reduced mobility, or lingering soreness that doesn't seem to go away. But here's where collagen truly stands out. It supports the connective tissue that wraps around and stabilizes your muscles. This means that even if you're already getting enough protein from your diet, supplementing with collagen peptides adds a specialized layer of support that protects against muscle strain and promotes smoother, more coordinated movement. What's the best way to take it? Collagen peptides are virtually flavorless and dissolve easily in hot or cold liquids. You can stir a scoop into your morning coffee, blend it into a smoothie, or even add it to soups or oatmeal. Consistency is key. It's not a one-time fix, but rather a daily habit that compounds benefits over weeks and months. Most studies recommend around 10 to 20 grams per day for noticeable results. Many seniors also report improved joint comfort after adding collagen to their routine. If you've been avoiding physical activity because of knee pain, stiffness, or fear of injury, collagen may help rebuild the cushioning and flexibility needed to move confidently again. And when you can move without pain, it's easier to engage in the kinds of daily activity, walking, stretching, gardening, that keep muscles active and functional. An added bonus? Collagen peptides also support bone density. Strong bones are essential for anchoring strong muscles, and studies have shown that collagen supplementation can help improve bone mineral density in older adults, reducing the risk of fractures and falls. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides sourced from grass-fed or wild-caught animals for best results. Some formulations even include vitamin C, which is necessary for proper collagen synthesis in the body. So if you're struggling with slow recovery, joint discomfort, or general weakness in your arms and legs, collagen peptides could be the missing link. They offer foundational support that strengthens not just the muscles, but the connective web that holds your entire body together. And for seniors, that kind of full body reinforcement is invaluable. Number 3, Spirulina Powder. Rounding out our list is one of the most powerful plant-based superfoods on Earth, Spirulina Powder. This deep green algae-based supplement may look unassuming, but it's packed with a nutritional punch that can significantly support muscle repair, combat fatigue, and enhance circulation. 3 critical factors for seniors aiming to rebuild strength and maintain mobility. Spirulina is a natural source of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle synthesis. And while it's plant-based, it rivals many animal proteins in bioavailability. For seniors who are vegetarian, have trouble digesting heavier proteins, or simply want a nutrient-rich boost, spirulina offers a convenient and effective solution. One of the biggest benefits of spirulina for muscle health lies in its high iron content. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, And without enough of it, your muscles can't get the oxygen they need to function optimally, especially during activity or recovery. Many older adults experience low iron levels, leading to fatigue, shortness of breath, and weak muscles. Adding spirulina can naturally support healthy red blood cell production, improving endurance and strength from the inside out. But that's not all. Spirulina is also rich in magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, and antioxidants like phycocyanin, which collectively help reduce inflammation, speed up muscle repair, and protect against oxidative stress. These nutrients not only support recovery after physical activity, but also help ease chronic pain or soreness that might discourage you from staying active in the first place. Spirulina has also been shown to boost nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels and improve circulation, ensuring that nutrients and oxygen are efficiently delivered to working muscles. This is crucial for older adults, as reduced blood flow can slow down recovery, contribute to nighttime leg cramps, or lead to cold, tired limbs. How do you take spirulina? It's available in both powder and tablet form, but the powder version allows for easy mixing into smoothies, juices, or even a small glass of water. If the taste is too strong, combine it with citrus or ginger to balance the flavor. Start with half a teaspoon and gradually work your way up to a full teaspoon daily. Because it's so nutrient dense, a little goes a long way. Quality matters here. Make sure you choose organic, third-party tested spirulina to avoid contamination with heavy metals or toxins, which can sometimes be an issue with poorly sourced algae products. For seniors, spirulina serves as more than just a supplement. It's a comprehensive recovery tool. It helps fight fatigue, supports immune function, enhances muscle resilience, and improves circulation, all while being gentle on digestion and easy to absorb. If you're dealing with persistent weakness, tired legs, or slow muscle recovery, spirulina can be a game changer. It's a simple, natural powder that works on multiple fronts to help you stay active, energized, and in control of your body. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes one of the most important and most overlooked aspects of long-term health. Weak muscles don't just make everyday activities harder, they increase your risk of falls, injuries, and loss of independence. And while exercise plays a critical role in preserving strength, nutrition is just as essential, especially when it comes to what you choose to fuel your body with every single day. The truth is, many seniors unknowingly sabotage their strength by relying on meals that are low in high-quality protein, essential nutrients, or anti-inflammatory compounds. But with the right choices, even simple additions can produce dramatic results over time. Whey protein powder delivers a full spectrum of amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair, especially after light exercise or physical therapy. Collagen peptides support not only your muscle tissue, but also your joints, tendons, and bones, helping you move more easily and recover faster. And spirulina powder brings a powerful plant-based punch of protein, iron, and antioxidants to fight fatigue, reduce inflammation, and keep your circulation strong. The best part? These powders are easy to incorporate into your daily life. A scoop in your morning smoothie, a spoonful in a post-workout shake, or a simple blend with water and lemon can start making a difference in how you feel, move, and perform in just a few weeks. But remember, consistency is key. Your body needs steady support to rebuild what time and age have gradually worn down. Think of these powders not as miracle cures, but as powerful allies in your journey to regain strength, energy, and confidence. So if you've noticed that walking feels harder, your legs tire out more quickly, or your recovery after activity takes longer than it used to, don't ignore those signals. Start adding these natural powders into your routine and pay attention to how your body responds. You might be surprised at just how much strength you can reclaim when you give your muscles the nutrients they've been waiting for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share your experience in the comments below. Which of these powders have you tried or plan to try first? Your insight could help someone else take their first step toward feeling stronger again. Stay consistent, stay nourished, and most importantly, stay strong.